So here are my materials to make a paper weaving. I have 2 pieces of paper. These are the same size. I have a ruler, which is optional. You don't really need a ruler. I have a glue stick and a pair of scissors and also a pencil. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the first piece of paper and fold it in half like a hamburger. Not this way like a hot dog. In half like a hamburger. Match up the edges and then slide your fingers over. After I have it folded in half, I'm going to take a ruler along the opened edge. I'm going to lay it across the edge there. You could eyeball this, it doesn't have to be drawn with a ruler. I'm just going to draw a line so that I know where to stop. Now I'm going to just take my scissors, start on the folded edge, and I'm going to cut across until I get to that line and stop. So now I have my cut warp, so you can see all these strips. Okay, now I need to take my other piece of paper and I'm going to cut it into strips going the opposite direction from our warp. So our warp are going vertical. I'm going to cut this into strips horizontally. Have all of our strips. The next step is weaving all of these strips into the warp. So you're going to alternate one strip after the next, going over, under, over, under. So I'm going to start this strip. I'm going to go over the first strip of warp, under, over, under, over. What's next? Yes, under, over, under, over. And then I push it down. Okay, and then I take the next strip and it's going to be the opposite of this first strip. Remember, these are called the weft. The weft go over and under the warp. Okay, so this started over, so this one I'm going to start under. Then do over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, and beat that down. And I'm going to keep repeating this pattern till I get all the way across my warp. So what I have to do next, just so that these don't slip out, is I have to glue the ends. So I'm going to take this weft, pick it up, put some glue on the warp, stick it back down.